Welcome to Make It with the Makermobile, a Pioneer Library System program. For today's project, we're going to make a festive holiday bunting. You'll need some fabric scraps, cutting tools, pins, bias tape, and the free template we found at whitneysews.com. Thanks, Whitney. Fold your fabric and place the template along the fold. Cut out your shapes until you have enough for your banner. For our banner, we used 3 yards of extra wide double fold bias tape and had just enough room for 11 pennants spaced about 2.5 inches apart. Now it's time to sew. Take one pennant and fold it right sides together. Sew a 1/4 inch seam along the longest edge. Repeat this step until all your shapes are sewn. Center your seam to make a triangle shape and press the seam open. Turn the triangle right side out and press it again. You may want to use a pencil or the tip of your scissors to make the point nice and sharp. Trim off any excess from the top to make your edges even. Unwind your bias tape and open it up so you can see the inside fold. Place the top of your triangle shape along the fold. Fold the top half of the bias tape over the top of your triangle. Make sure your seam on your triangle is facing the back. Pin your triangle in place, measure 2.5 inches, and repeat with the rest of your triangles until you come to the end of your bias tape. Starting at the end of your bias tape, stitch a 1/8 inch seam, catching both sides of the tape as well as your triangles. And there you have it, a beautiful holiday bunting. When birthdays and other special occasions roll around, you can make more buntings to make your celebrations all the more special. You can find more great gift ideas at the library. Thank you for joining us. We can't wait to see what you make. Have fun!